When it comes to mass adoption, it will only happen if the barrier of entry is as low as buying a bottle of water. After all, why would average folks go through all the hassle of learning how to use a MetaMask or keep a seed phrase when they can just simply go to a bank? Well, the key lies in making buying and selling crypto as easy as sending money on PayPal. But there's a Web3 way to do it so that no one would magically take $2,500 from your account without you knowing. This is why you need to learn about Pundi X. So, fast thing fast, what is Pundi X? Pundi X is actually an OG in the market. In fact, it has been around since 2017 and conducted its ICO raise in 2018. Powered by the FunctionX framework, the Pundi X Web3 solution supports cross-chain functionality, initially focusing on Ethereum, BSC, and Tron. This allows for cross-chain payments, multi-chain transfers, and integration with other popular blockchain networks. These advancements provide a wide range of use cases and utilities for both merchants and developers. But what sets Pundi X apart from the crowd? Well, Pundi X offers a fascinating blend of three major elements that make it effortless for you to pay for your goods and services with your favorite crypto. The first innovation is the retail point of sale platform called Xbox. So this works really similar to a credit card payment terminal. This handheld device processes both crypto payments and sales. So whether you want to accept crypto payment from MetaMask or Trust Wallet or Binance Pay or accept credit card payment through PayPal, the Xbox terminal has got you covered. And the best part is it processes crypto transactions and settles in stable coins, whether it's USDT or DAI here. This is great because merchants is now able to mitigate the risk of crypto price volatility. The second innovation is the backend systems that provide Pundi X partners and merchants with the tools to manage their crypto exports devices. From staff management, commission distribution, crypto sales reserve pool management, and transaction data analytics is all manageable here. Now, let's talk about the most recent innovation utilizing FunctionX blockchain infrastructure, which is the PX card. It may just be the easiest to use cold wallet ever. It looks just like a regular debit card, but it supports multi-currency transactions. To make a payment in crypto, you simply need to reload your PX card and then use it with the Xbox terminal or PX card app. The beauty of the PX card is that the card itself is your private key and it can be used offline with the Xbox as well. It is particularly helpful for the first-time users to use crypto as micro-payments and use NFTs in the physical outlet. I like how user-friendly they are, but unfortunately, the PX cards are currently produced in a limited quantity. There are only 500 Genesis Edition PX cards available, which means they are soon out of stock. Later, PX card will be open for brands and businesses to customize and distribute. If you want to find out different designs, you can go ahead and check out this link right here. In addition to the product developments, Pundi X has officially passed a proposal to increase the maximum number of validators to 50. While this number may not seem very impressive compared to other major chains, it demonstrates the commitment to decentralization by reducing the power held by each validator. So with these three groundbreaking products, Pundi X has created a seamless and user-friendly ecosystem for crypto payments. So whether the distributors, merchants, or consumers prefer using the Xbox terminal, the management portals, or the hardware wallet cards, there's always something that suits your need. Now, moving on to the tokenomics part. Pundi X has a maximum supply of 255 million, as has all entered the market circulation. That means no more tokens will be minted. This is also where the deflationary mechanism lies, as you will not have to worry that more tokens will be introduced which dilute the value of your tokens. Oh, one thing worth noting is that Pundi X is not the original token. Pundi X originally launched the PXS token through an initial coin offering at the start of 2018. Later that year, the tokens were swapped for MPXS at a rate of 1 PXS for 1,000 MPXS. In 2021, the Pundi X token was introduced and a second redenomination took place, this time in the opposite direction. MPXS holders have until the end of March 2022 to swap the tokens at a rate of 1,000 MPXS for 1 Pundi X. So, what is the future of Pundi X like? Well, the future success of Pundi X will be shaped by several key factors. First, whether the exports terminals would actually be able to spread to more merchants in the world. The terminal is basically the backbone of the project, and for the past few years, Pundi X did have a lot of challenges when distributing around the world. While in the white paper, they initially aimed to distribute 100,000 terminals by 2021, they have only activated a little over 1,000 so far due to the evolving regulatory restrictions and negative impression of Bitcoin and crypto as speculative assets. This is understandable that merchants were afraid of exposing themselves to the risk of volatility, and most of them did not equip themselves with the knowledge of what cryptocurrency is. So 2021 seems too early for Pundi X to achieve such an ambitious goal. But in July 2022, Deloitte pulled a sample of 2,000 senior executives from the retail industry to seek their willingness of adopting cryptocurrency as payments, and nearly 75% of retailers plan to accept either crypto or stablecoin payments within the next 2 years. As the traditional payment giants are eyeing the market, it also represents an opportunity and challenge for Pundi X. Pundi X has evolved its crypto point of sales platform and backend management portal not only to support multiple blockchains and wallets, but to accommodate the payment acquirers easily to adopt this ready-to-use Novo system. Second, it's more like a chicken and egg problem. In order for merchants to adopt exports, you need to have adoption from the consumers first. If consumers see the process as complicated and hassle, they might not be willing to try out the volatile crypto payment as an option. Not to mention, you will have to convince those hodlers to spend the precious internet magic money for a cup of coffee. Currently, it shows the crypto adoption happens in the countries which have devalued local fiat currencies. The Pundi X solution works well in the physical crypto exchange stores in Turkey, but I do believe this type of consumer sentiment takes time, with Asia and other European countries being more crypto friendly. I believe it will benefit Pundi X in some way as well. So to sum up this video, basically, the future of Pundi X holds both challenges and opportunities. The widespread adoption of exports terminals by merchants and the willingness of merchants to embrace crypto payments are key factors that will shape its success. But so far, especially after talking to the team directly, I think the project is heading in the right direction. You can specifically see the contribution to those hyperinflationary countries and how they use crypto to improve their everyday lives. So that's my take on Pundi X. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for additional content and discussions. And until then, see you next time.